Success. I hope you guys liked that edit. It was really fun to make. We just got back from that camping trip. It was a lot of fun. A buddy of mine and my brother, we all decided to load up and go check this place out. It's only like 20-25 minutes away from where we live. Private property, but the guy's got like a whole camp set up out there. The place is called Wilderness Shores. Yeah, check it out, Wilderness Shores. It's an awesome campsite, great property. We'll definitely be going back. We've already been back 3 times. All 3 times that I've been to this campsite, I've fortunately been able to use my camp stove, kitchen, the drawer system since we built it, and it has absolutely been life-changing. I am very much spoiled now that I have this thing. I don't like cooking over an open fire nearly as much because it's way easier. Everything's in there. You just kind of pull the drawers out and get started and throw your food in the skillet, in the pan, whatever you got. This is the primary reason I built this drawer system, to be able to make full breakfast. How is it?
Not bad, dude.
If you guys like this video, stay tuned because we will be dropping another video where we built another drawer system for my brother. He has a 2nd gen Tacoma, 2006, I want to say. I think it's 2006. So anyways, his turned out really cool too. He uses it all the time. That video will be coming shortly, so stay tuned for that.